on him where be say been talk say the whole matter na fraud. You understand? And then we know say we don't get a couple of reaction to also some of the things when you talk. For instance, LPs too don't come react say no, not time when be say them gather debt up to $19 billion because of $1 million because of waiting the flights where they bring come. So I go like make you react to waiting in talk. Because now you, first of all, start this investigation to open Nigerians' eye for inside this matter we get to do with the Air Nigeria or Nigerian Air.
Okay, so one thing where I know they like where Nigerian government officials they do is say and they do this thing where they call gaslighting. Then go they insult person intelligence because it gets some kind of lies where. Now only small Peking you supposed to tell that kind of lie to. That it be like say they feed bobo to small children. Now as adults, you're not supposed to tell us this kind of thing as our elected official. Now, Adi Serika come Arise Television talk say marketing strategy. Say they just unveil the investors.
Network no go let us hear you well. Okay.
All right,
okay.
Go ahead now.
Say the Ethiopian investors then bring the flights come abi just for marketing strategy. Say no be say we hire them abi. Now we see the try talk, David.
Now we talk.
Okay.
Now we can talk for Arise Television. Now the problem is say for the own statement where he released that Friday when they unveiled that aircraft. If you read the statement still there for the Twitter page, you still feel go read them. It's still there up till now. But that statement it talks say that we are grateful to God. This is the culmination of a long and arduous process and blah, blah. We're happy to present. So nowhere in that statement where it implies, say, not just logo on Google or not just marketing. But it's in present it like, say, then they unveil Nigeria aircraft. And in fact, the official invitation for the event, I read news article yesterday. People don't upload them online because the Federal Ministry of Aviation actually can't print official invitation. They can't invite many dignitaries there. Maybe they can't attend this event. For that official invitation, then print them there, say that they unveil Nigeria aircraft. So first of all, I don't understand how if people come TV can't tell that kind of lie to.
So you they talk now, say outrightly and lie like that. Now we see you they talk now.
Complete lie, absolute lie. The only reason why in the talk say on a marketing strategy now, say he no expects say anybody go even fit dig into it to go even fit investigate within to say that aircraft no be any Nigerian aircraft, say na Ethiopian airline get her. He no believe say Nigerians even get brain reach that level because not just big, not just low level fraud, not low level scam. He no believe say anybody go fit. If in fact the video where he upload from for a Twitter page, if you go look at when that aircraft enter, as in the video the aircraft, the tail number where they write ETAPL, in deliberately slow that tail number for that video. In fact, when it be like say the tail won't enter the camera shot, he shifts the camera. So in they hide that tail number. So in they try obviously portray say this aircraft na Nigeria Air get up. So after me, I come because me I be big borrow. Now my work, I be busybody. I can't look into this thing. Say don't be any Nigeria Air get this aircraft. First of all, this aircraft is clearly registered to Ethiopian Airlines. I don't that you feel check the flight history online. It is freely available for flight radar to say this thing don't they fly Mogadishu to Addis Ababa regular service as recently as 5 days ago. And then it can't disappear for 5 days, and the next thing you know, that it can't reappear for Abuja. They can't wrap Nigeria Air paint work for him. So what's really going on here? And then if you sabi even the smallest thing about aviation for Nigeria, you will not say any aircraft we know they registered with Nigerian registration, where they always start with 5N. That aircraft no fee they registered to a Nigerian airline. Nigerian airline. Where they operate aircraft, you go always see whether na Ibom Air or na Air Peace or na any, they always start with 5N. Now the standard for Nigeria. So you say the tail license plate there, say no be 5N na ETA. This thing na Ethiopian registered. So this plate no fit belong to any Nigeria Air.
All right.
And then
Oga David, sorry to cut you. Now, the conversation about the money part, make we look that side, because the allegation be say they spend 85 billion on top this whole project. But the former aviation minister come out say the money will they be released for this thing, now like 3 billion naira so far. So where these figures from 85 billion come out from, if you look at from waiting in talk?
So now waiting what they call semantics in the play. So on paper, you feel talk say, oh, na 5 billion in budget, na 3 billion they release.
Now they release.
In the try placement. In the try placement. So if you check the actual budget for the aviation military for that period between 2018 push this Nigeria aid matter, that total budget it even passed that 85 billion.
Okay.
Right? So now waiting make business day on report say this man don't spend reach 85 billion.
Okay.
On top of this matter. Because apart from this Nigeria aid matter, waiting the aviation ministry they do for that period, maybe say apart from salaries and everything, waiting and they do where they will spend reach 85 billion again. This Nigeria air thing be the main capital expenditure project for that period.